everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I make chalk paint at home. This video is a continuation of my DIY art supply series. In previous video, I shared how I make gesso at home. The link for that video is there in the card and also in the description below. So for chalk paint, you will just need plaster of Paris and any color acrylic paint and a mixing bowl. Take 2 tablespoons of plaster of Paris and 1 tablespoon of acrylic color. Remember, the ratio should be of 2:1. Mix it properly. Add little water if it forms lumps. You can see it's ready now. I am taking my mandala base, which I covered it with my DIY gesso. You can now see how beautiful and matte finish it has.